ParkCity.com/winter. Can a car look out for you? Can a car sense danger before you do? And even react quicker than human reflex? Can a car be your sanctuary? What's it like to drive the Hyundai Genesis? You have no idea.
Lease the 2015 Hyundai Genesis for $299 a month for 36 months. Only at your local Hyundai dealer.
Hey, for Uncle Pete.
Now time where cable makes your internet go faster. Up to 300 megs. Epic Fi. Get home Wi-Fi powered by the latest equipment available to cover all your devices. So when you need more from your internet, it's there for you. Discover how much more is included.